We're gonna record every single level in a single day.
Yes. Alright, so we're just gonna, like, go, hard mode, awesome, what's the song? Change that. Alright, so, for ELM, we do 2 levels per video because ELM is easy. So we're gonna speedrun Fun Farm because it's not gonna be any problem at all, and then we do we do fast food soda. I was blanking on the name for a second.
But Fun Farm is so difficult.
This is ELM.
Not on ELM.
Yes, it's impossible.
What's even impossible from the? Let's gonna play the game today.
Oh my!
We are beating the entire thing today, and then we're going to go to Lap 3 Deluxe and finish that too.
Hello.
Hi, Biscuit.
Bro, we're going to.
Hi, Biscuit. We're recording 19 videos today.
Oh my fucking god!
Oh,
we're recording over 19 videos today.
I may have just accidentally found a bug.
Look, make sure you're recording right away.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Make sure you guys are recording.
Wait, we're recording 19 fucking videos? Wait, what?
Yeah, because he saw that.
19 isn't accurate because there's some that I have to edit and there's some that I already have recorded. But we're gonna record a lot.
We're doing both ELMW.
Okay, then.
We're doing Lap 3 Deluxe. We're doing it all.
Literally the point.
Oh, they thought that.
Okay, never mind. I'm not making it. Oh, I forgot I'm not playing as Pepino.
Let's go on. I saved it.
I can't wait for. I cannot wait for your chat reaction for the live chat reaction because you're almost fumble.
What almost fumble? This one?
The lap 9 completion run. How you almost died.
Oh, right, that. It's live now. I forgot. I keep starting videos when my premiere's about to start. What's wrong with me?
The premiere's starting in the middle for your next video.
Ignore your premiere.
When does my premiere start? I don't know.
It's already
started. When your own premiere starts,
It's literally already started. You're over a minute into the fucking level.
I don't want to talk about it.
That is very clever.
I haven't super done these guys.
Yep. Rule number 1 with Fun Farm: you must always super taunt before tomatoes.
Yeah.
Me who doesn't do that.
Yeah.
But you know, I'll also super taunt these.
I mean,
I can't do
you don't need
It's
it.
Milk Raves that wants him to do it.
No, alright.
So yeah, when we surpass him, we're just not gonna rub it in.
No, don't fucking.
Has he even did he even make a comment about surpassing Mill?
He surpassed me like long
He already
before.
had. He had double the subs of Milk. The fuck you mean?
He surpassed me like long
why?
ago. That's why.
But why?
What do you mean, but why?
Also, this is great. Also, why the fuck are we talking about this while Milk supporting video?
Good question.
You know, in the off chance that he actually watches the video,
Okay.
okay, well, it's not going into the winning attempt anyways. Okay, good.
You know what? Screw it. I'm
Okay,
gonna
no
stop
more
recording now so I
talking
can
about it.
actually watch my premiere.
I'm not just gonna try to. I'm going to do it grabless.
Hello, spreaders.
I have a new ability that Colin taught me. Pause abuse. I will bully Peppybot so hard with pause abuse.
No.
Yes.
Anyway, that's the most successful premiere I've had so far, which is surprising.
Well, I'll just send each one when it's finished. Here's lap 4.
Well, at least now.
Lap 4. I did try with it, but I just couldn't get it to look good for some reason. That's fine though.
94 views.
Again, it's better than being
I don't want
poorly
to
drawn, am I right?
Wait, are you saying it already has 94 views?
Damn.
think about the encore performance is ended. There is no Pepino lap 10. You can go home now. Does he know?
Yes, I know. I'm the guy who made it.
What about?
I'm gonna do this whole secret because I don't want to lose my console.
When I get back, I'm gonna have so many things I can do grab with. There are so many upcoming mods that I can do grab with. There's Ultimate Custom Chase, there's gonna be Super 5, there's gonna be Overlap to Lock, PC Takedown, whatever. If PC Takedown has enough, like, unique gimmicks from, like, any base Flat 5, I'll do it, but, like, if it's just literally just Flat 5, I'm not doing it. We'll see.
You know what, I'm gonna... I'll stream myself making it real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of free grab this content that I can do.
Yeah, I agree.
Are you the same thing as about the Pursuit though? For like really any mod that doesn't come with it?
Yeah, but
like, a lot of things
this round is that on another fucking
a lot of things
level.
A lot of things that Pursuit like were not necessary, but we did them anyways. So we can't really say like, oh, this is unnecessary because that's kind of being hypocritical.
Here's the deal. Jesus Chase Down is that, but on another fucking level. Like, it's too much. There is a fucking limit and they reached it alright. To the point I don't even want to work on this shit.
They have like, every single song they have is every single song like...
And the scope they're going for with this mod, like, the scope they're going for with this mod, they do not have room for that.
Yep.
Like, they've got a decent bit of people. They've got a decent bit of people.
Top 5.
But I'm pretty sure most of, like, they've got a couple, how many people songs? Like, they've got a lot of music. That's one thing they have. They have a lot of music. They have a lot of music on the server.
Kinda sucks in a way.
They're trying to make like every single song original.
I mean, that's fine.
That's why. They have quite a decent bit of fighters too. But like the thing is, like they even have quite a couple coders. You're one of them, Lodge one of them, Nick's one of them. There's one of them. So this is the only coder in the server that I don't like directly know is Shin Ron.
I'm gonna be honest, I entirely forgot the demise timer existed.
Did you die? Oh no.
No.
Okay, you're 18 seconds here.
No, that's what I was saying. I just forgot it
Yeah, they
existed
do.
because
I feel like it's just what they're going for. They do not have. I don't think they have any playtesters. And even if they did, they do not have enough playtesters for what they're going for with all of this.
Yeah.
I still don't know if I'm a playtester. I don't know.
The thing is, with a Peach Tower like mod like as big in scope as like Peach Pursuit or PC Chase Down, you're gonna want playtesters more than anything.
Yeah.
I mean, just look at Lap 3 Deluxe.
Yeah, that's kind of why I got stuff for my
Lap 3 Deluxe's buggy release was a mix of not having enough playtesting along with the time.
Not having? Pretty much having none.
So much of the shit was being added and coded in so quick that there was no time for playtesting, so literally the mod came out a buggy mess.
Yep.
Basically, the only reason I have playtesters for Pizza Tower, probably all my other mods, is because, like...
You wipe your save file.
Yeah, that made that even fucking...
That's not a good thing.
Yeah, I'm amazed that even happened in the first place.
People have been competent, but you shouldn't have bugs like that happening.
Yeah.
And if you do,
Full face not having an ending until I added one
not be
too.
in the public release. Like, that's something we made sure to deal with for Peach 4.
Oh wait, I should actually not say that. A specific thing didn't have a cutscene for some motherfucking reason. I had to add one like in 4 fucking hours, otherwise Bullet would have been fucked. Like, even the rapid response squad had to fucking speedrun their ass. At least I tried my absolute damn best to playtest multiple times my shit to make sure it doesn't break. And thank God.
Yeah,
Because
there's a lot more
I think
stable.
out of everyone,
Sure, you could like see the playtesting team and be like, oh, that seems a bit much. But Peach 2 had a very stable release. There was like not a lot of bugs.
That was right.
and they were
There wasn't a lot
minor.
of serious bugs.
Like they were niche
bugs.
bug, like for example restarting checkpoint during the lap roll on lap
Even the
2.
ones that were-
Like
even
that's
the
a
ones that
very
were,
niche.
like, a little serious. No, even the ones that were like kind of serious got like patched pretty quickly. Like we handled a decent bit of bugs. Like,
Bruh, I forgot the white shading. I didn't want to make the entire thing white.
At least the mod worked without failing.
Yeah, at least we can like even when like we realized Box of Hell could like white save files, we knew people played Box of Hell, so we fixed that through V4. Even though that was entirely their fault and not
I say
ours.
yeah, I wasn't even fucking in the playtest.
Yeah, that wasn't even our fault.
At
That's
least-
Box of Hell's fault, not our fault. Yeah, we fixed it. And then it wouldn't wipe your save file.
At
We
least
played Peach
yeah,
2.
because next build I can playtest it.
I'm pretty sure the only thing close to the, like music credits are the only thing that's like close to the amount of playtesters. Like people credit as music. That's basically the only thing that's close to the amount of playtesters we have.
There is never any harm in having more playtesters.
Yes, there can be harm. There can. I would say
I
about
said that and then I heard myself and I was like, wait, no, that's not. Wait, no, that's not. That's no.
having too many
Yeah, I know.
leaking. That's the problem.
Yeah,
Except if you're PTU, that's a big problem.
I said that like meaning
you can never
something
have
and then
two-
I heard myself and I was like, wait, that's stupid.
Wait, what do you mean? That's
Ow.
stupid?
I will say it again. PTU has almost 100 kick this time.
You can never. It's never. There are never too many playtesters. Because it isn't that multiple bugs are gonna be found, and when they are found, you want to fix them.
Honestly, I am impressed by the fact that we have almost 100 playtesters in PTU, and the mod got leaked, like, by a playtester. I don't even. It was
And yeah,
only
thing is, like, we had a very big majority of playtesters. It could have, one of us could have very easily just like taken a very new build, leaked it on itch.io or some shit, and we wouldn't have known who did it if it was like an alt account or something.
Yeah.
Thanks for the idea.
We literally wouldn't have had any clue about who did it. That's the thing. It could have been so
You're giving me a
none of
good
us knew
idea.
that. Yeah, literally no one did.
You were enlightening knowledge.
I mean, to be fair, if somebody did do that, Project Psy would absolutely go ballistic.
You see, science crashed out about things, kind of. You would not have believed how hard he would have lost it if the mod had got actually leaked.
Yeah.
I feel like literally, I guarantee in like the first 30 minutes, literally every build would have been stripped from any like public eye ever, like not even in like the private servers or anything. There'd be nothing. That would be almost a manhunt to try to figure out who did it.
And then, actually, I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say.
What do you mean?
I'm not gonna finish my sentence.
Is your sentence bad?
A little bit.
Was it relating to, actually, yeah, probably, considering this recording, probably best not to.
Yeah.
So, we'll wait till after.
We'll have a single
Like,
intermission there.
having, yeah,
Honestly,
like, here, like, having music, having like, musicians, having artists, having like coders, that's all fine and good. But if you don't have any playtesters to like you know, see if your mod is actually functioning and not like held up by threads. So it's not gonna go well.
Honestly, with everything that's happened today, I'm surprised I even have the energy to do this for you, Biscuit. Because, like, the shit I've done today... I was streaming for basically 13 hours.
I went to bed at like 6 a.m. and you were already streaming. It is now 3, almost 4, where I am.
Yeah.
My limit for live streaming is like an hour or two.
I think it's because I got up early and was thinking, okay, I'm ready to stream. So I streamed for 13 hours. But because of YouTube's dumb limit with 12-hour videos or streams, I had to split it into 2 parts. Yeah. I was really raring to go. But by the end, I was exhausted. I was stuck on one fucking thing for like most of the
Oh my god, I
stream.
forgot about that guy.
Don't forget about ELMDY. Average ELMDY for better.
Yeah, big people.
Oh, moral of the story, if you're gonna make a lap mod, get a ton of playtests. Simple as that. The scope of your mod is like kind of small, you're only gonna add like 1 or 2 laps. Get like maybe 5 to 10 playtesters or something. Probably on the lower end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The higher the scope of the mod is, like based on style, you're gonna want like at least like, at minimum, you're gonna want 10 playtesters for like a big mod. Or else you're gonna get a lap luck situation. Which, the lack of playtesting is only half the problem.
Right.
Anyways, see you tomorrow. I mean, wait, no. Goober, question of the day.
30 block.
Insane.
Goober, you're a failure.
What do you mean? Oh, sorry, best cheese. What's the best cheese?
Awesome, you heard him. Alright, go.